Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take off a Jeep Liberty door panel. Start by lowering the window and disconnecting the battery. Remove the inner door handle trim and any visible screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Carefully pry the panel edges with a plastic trim tool to release clips. Lift the panel up to clear the top lip and disconnect wiring connectors for switches and speakers before setting the panel aside. Gather your tools and prepare the work area before removing the door panel. Use a plastic trim tool, Phillips screwdriver, and a 10 mm socket to handle the typical fasteners on a Jeep Liberty. Organize screws in a magnetic tray and keep connectors labeled if needed. Work on a flat, stable surface and wear gloves to protect your hands. This prep saves time and prevents lost parts during reassembly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tutorials. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, is a great read for anyone saving for car repairs or projects. Check the video description for the link and other deals and pick it up if it sounds useful. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing trim pieces and screws around the armrest and interior handle. Use the trim tool to pry the panel outward at the bottom edge, working along the seam to free the plastic clips. Lift the panel upward to clear the window channel, then tilt it out carefully. Before fully removing the panel, disconnect any electrical connectors, switch plugs, and the speaker harness so the door panel can be set aside safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.